Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to delete a Messenger account. All you have to do is to launch the Messenger application. What you have to do is to first tap on the three lines, and then you are going to tap on the gear icon. From here, you are going to scroll down until you see Account Center, and then you're going to tap on See More in Account Center. From there, you're going to tap on Personal Details. I'm going to tap on Account Ownership and Control. To tap on Deactivate, deactivation or deletion. I'm going to choose the accounts that you would like to delete. So let's say I'm going to delete or deactivate that account, and then I'm going to make sure that my tick is on delete account. I'm going to tap on Continue. From there, I'm going to choose a reason as to why I want to delete this account. I'm going to tap on Continue. From there, I'm going to create a password before deleting the account. And once I'm done, I'm going to be able to delete this account. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.